Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect portals in Minecraft. Connecting nether portals allows for efficient travel across your world. The key is understanding the 8:1 coordinate ratio between the overworld and the nether. This means 1 block in the nether equals 8 blocks in the overworld. We'll cover how to calculate these coordinates and build your portals for seamless, predictable journeys, saving you valuable time and effort in your adventures. To begin, stand at your overworld portal and note its X and Z coordinates. For example, if your overworld portal is at X 1000, Z 800, you'll divide both by 8. This gives you X 100, Z 100 for your nether portal's location. It's important to build your nether portal as close as possible to these exact coordinates to ensure a proper link. The Y coordinate doesn't need to be divided, but keep it within the nether's buildable range. Once you have your calculated nether coordinates, head to that location and build your nether portal. A standard portal frame requires 10 obsidian blocks, forming a 4x5 outer rectangle. After placing the obsidian, use a flint and steel to ignite the inner frame, activating the portal. Step through this newly created nether portal. If your calculations were correct, it should link back to your original overworld portal, creating a two-way connection for easy travel. Sometimes, portals don't link as expected. A common issue is having another portal too close in either dimension, causing an unintended connection. If this happens, destroy the unwanted portal and try again. Also, building your nether portal at a higher Y level, like Y100, can help avoid linking to existing cave portals. Always double-check your coordinate calculations. With a little practice, you'll master portal linking for efficient world traversal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.